I'm videotaping you.
I'm so scared.
We're gonna push her down the stairs in a box.
Oh my god! I'm scared. I'm so scared. Just leave it.
Scared out of your wits, huh?
Just leave it. Give me the blanket. I'm scared. Why? I'm scared it hurt. I'll clean that up. I'll clean that up.
Allie,
What?
not a good idea.
What?
Are you planning on going down the stairs or something?
No.
Because we're not.
Okay.
Allie.
What happens if I do?
You're done for the day.
But what if it's an accident?
No, it's not going to be an accident. Because it's going to be avoided.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Otherwise, you don't go to a birthday party today.
Okay, I won't get pushed down the stairs. Okay, Catherine, come take me shot.
There goes Ellie. How do you do that? Do you know how to work that? That didn't work very well.
Why does it keep going?
Well, gotta cut it.
I tried to. Here.
Now I gotta do it again. You failed life, Catherine. Can she breathe?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Damn it. Don't push me down the stairs. I'll get
We're
in
not.
trouble.
We're not.
Don't
Here.
push me.
Ah, oh my gosh, Allie, you're falling! You're falling!
Cord.
You're falling!
Record. I want to do it now.
Let's go push it.